Good afternoon. My name is Isabel Cortés. Cédula de identidad 5392708. Estudiante de contaduría en la Universidad Bicentenaria de Aragua. Voy a traducir el ejercicio de la unidad 3 de inglés instrumental. La importancia del inglés. Nobody Lourencio ha Mati. He interacts among people young. He choose aus create a peace when the phenomenon. Peace. Knowing aus English is a requisite aus high information. E peace increasing number aus. Speaking peace have word. Taste to Valencia. English has because the linguist. Mostly used by people from different cultures, and past active, social or political. Indian laws began commercial relation hold ha simply adequate no friend. English is no longer peace exclusive language. English and P Unity. Nobody is still a linguist task pillow use few velocity people. He total amongst the house people speaking it as young a fractional language. Ha reached use as number house 300 new people. West as connected similarly to it for those. Q speaking is as a second language. Without counting P number of people have you it as commercial language it choice phrase in communication oral notice glot. There are several reasons to declare English a language house. Has informing amounts teron with ha this how far away. English as it has been said before, linguists use my people to establish business relations over the world. Most of these autores book with information in the different areas applications. Ion a Fenge Obi Chule English. Sone one from development at faster. Taking master in English language. As that child for where ne young daron piadi choose. English has become a number one language in different field. Sanchez has been a amarexión posición chosen en más media en full or English the word is wearing wicked this to be one the flu movies televisión y no más random word where see sone my reason man for you te leas one English ha ten catitud you add opinión una amar one causing often word. El inglés para mí es un idioma muy importante a nivel mundial para establecer relaciones económicas en todo el mundo. Igualmente es una herramienta para obtener trabajo con buena remuneración y nuevos trabajos. La influencia del inglés en todo el mundo es cada vez mayor. Por eso es muy importante tener conocimiento del idioma inglés.